Hey, it's the third day. What's your plan?
To be honest, my plan is to scratch. It's as hard as it is to say that, but my food plan just isn't working, and I'm not. Yeah, there are no other options here. There's so little food on the road, and I just don't have enough stuff with me. So yeah, that's it. I'm afraid. That's it.
Is it a plan to ride to the big town and see if you can resupply?
No, because we don't have enough time, and it's not. The next town is too far away. The next big town is, I don't know, at least 400 kilometers away. So. And yesterday I just completely bombed out, and was more walking more than I was riding. So there's nothing left in the tank. I'm afraid that's not really an option.
Let's see what this day brings.
Yeah. It's kind of set right now, to be honest. There's not much I can do to change it. Plus that my saddle is keeping, my seat post keeps dropping. I actually have to stop every 5 kilometers to adjust it. It's driving me crazy.
We could put a piece of Coca-Cola can in there. do that all the time in my bike shop.
Just make a thing about. Let's just make a thing about failure, you know, because it's part of the game that sometimes you just. Yeah, well, this time it's just not possible. You know, my head is not in it, and you know, the last year and a half, my daughter has been my priority, so I haven't really gotten that much riding in. I find that really difficult, and yeah, like I said yesterday, my whole food concept is just, it's not working. And it's the first time I scratched from a race, and I mean, it feels horrible, but at the same time, I just know it's the right decision right now, because I can't keep, like yesterday I bonked that out at 150k, and we still rode to 240, so we still did, you know, another 100k, and any little incline I was off the bike walking, and I can't keep doing that for another 1600 kilometers. I can't live on Snickers and cookies for that long, especially in this terrain. I mean, it's relentless. There are a few shops here you can buy stuff, but the further out you get, the worse it's gonna get. So yeah, it's the only, right now it's the only sensible option. I don't want to get stuck on a mountain somewhere and have no energy to go anywhere, you know. So I don't feel good about it, but yeah, you win some and you lose some. I kind of think I did underestimate it a little bit, or thinking, you know, with the fitness I have, even without been training for the last year, I would be able to do it. Not easily, but, you know, to do it, or just to ride myself fit. I think I underestimated the difficulty of riding at that height, at that altitude. You know, like anything over 2,500 meters, you start noticing, and once you get over 3,000, it's like, where is my energy? Like, where is my power? It just completely disappears, you know. So that I definitely underestimated. Yeah.
So yeah, so now you're gonna hang out or take a plane back?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang out here for a day and then ride back to Bishkek tomorrow. Maybe take 2 or 3 days. It's under 160k, so we'll see. And then I'm gonna fly home early. Yeah, yeah, I'm afraid so.
Yeah. We have a lot of losing stories this year.
Yeah.
I'm saying goodbye here.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
For the sake of the movie.
Have fun.
I should have gone back
Have fun
with Joachim to Bishkek.
I know.
But make sure that you make some...
Get some atmospheric shots, man.
Yeah.
Some filler stuff.
Make sure you make some mopey faces on the way back for us. And then...
Yeah, once the decision has been made, I mean, it's terrible to see you go now, kind of, because I feel quite okay now, but you know, once the decision has been made, it's been made, and then that's kind of a relief also in a sense.
It was mostly the food
Yeah, yeah,
troubles that you
it was
fear coming up. Yeah.
Yeah, not bringing a cooker was a big mistake. So.
Yep.
Yeah, I can't live on that shit. So.
You gotta have warm food every day.
Yeah. Or something sustainable at least, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh well.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is the part where you ride away dramatically.
Yes. I will do. Take care, man. Have a great ride.